Usually the eyeball is translucent. In India, there are three colors in our eyes. One is light brown, another one is dark brown, and sometimes grey or green type of eyes I have seen. Or in India we don't have blue eyes, or it depends upon the source of light. जब हम किसी खिड़की की तरफ या विंडो की तरफ देखते हैं तो हमारी आंखों में विंडो या उस खिड़की का अक्स दिखाई देता है, इमेज दिखाई देता है. If you are looking at the hard source of light like a bulb or a spotlight, then you are going to have a spot on your eyeball. Apart of that, if you are looking at the tube light, then you are going to have a stroke sort of thing. So according to source of light, we have to show these highlights on this particular area. So this is pupil. I am going to make it dark, and along with this I am going to show the source of light also. So make it dark properly. Use 4B pencil, 2B pencil, or even you can use 6B pencil also. Light is not approaching to the upper part of eyeball because of eyelashes and because of this hood. So we need to make this particular area darker. Slowly and gradually we need to decrease the values towards the lower part of the eyeball. Here, with the application of layers, I am going to make the upper part of the eyeball darker. I am following layer by layer color application. Look at this. And I am leaving the highlighted area negative. These two circles are made. These circles appear when we face the studio lights. In a studio, there are spotlights. When a photographer uses camera to take your portrait or a mug shot, they usually use umbrella lights or spotlights. So these two dots are going to appear on your eyeball because of two sources of lights. So I am making it dark because light is not approaching to this area because of the eyelashes and because of the hood also. Follow layer by layer color application. Blend the color properly. Try to create blur effect. Eyeball is quarter height from the top. जैसा मैंने पहले बताया कि अगर हम खिड़की की तरफ देखते हैं, अगर खिड़की से सोर्स ऑफ लाइट है, विंडो से सोर्स ऑफ लाइट है, तो आपकी आँख में वो विंडो का ही इमेज दिखाई देगा. और अगर बल्ब की तरफ देखते हैं तो बल्ब का एक स्पॉट बनता है आँख में. तो ये लाइफ लाइक इफेक्ट इन हाइलाइट्स की वजह से आता है. ऊपर का भाग डार्क है, धीरे धीरे नीचे की तरफ आते हुए ये लाइट होता जाएगा. I'm trying to make it light. Here I'm not pressing the pencil. Gradually I'm mixing the strokes together because blur effect is required. Blurring is very important. It requires lots of patience. If you wanted to learn more about human features, about human portraits, then observe humans carefully. Observe even objects also. Good observation skill is required for an artist, for the upcoming designers. Observation skill is very much important. More finishing touches are required. I am making a dark upper line. And I am going to draw the eyelashes. Right now using 2B pencil. Maintain equal amount of pressure on pencil. Female eye is this because I have shown the longer eyelashes. Add few strokes here also. Add some strokes here. This is our eyelid fold, and here we have half eyes gap between the eyebrows and eyes. So this rendering of eye is done. Now the eye is ready. There are many ways to show the eyes and even the other human features also. So one way I have shown right now.